some parabolic moves, right? So if you look at this EGLE chart, in the past it has some crazy moves where it went from 14 bucks all the way to 65 bucks. I'm not sure what happened over here, but it had some crazy moves. So on Friday, I was looking at around trading, looking for opportunities to see if I can find some opportunity to get a trade. And this name, EGLE, EGLE, came up on my scanners. Um, so when I saw it, it was actually somewhere around here, so around about 10 bucks, right? So the stock went from almost 750 to 10, 11 bucks in a heartbeat, right? In less than half an hour, it went up. Now, there's no way for you to go. If I see the stock over here, chances are it's not gonna go through anymore. I mean, look at this here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 green candles. If you try to buy it on the seventh green candle, chances are you'll get a strong pullback, right? And if you look at the daily chart, which is where the analysis really comes from to see if there's an opportunity for me to get in or not, $12 was kind of a decent level to look at, right? So let me just take a look at this. High on this is 11.50, high 11.60, so somewhere around 11, $12. 11.50, $12 is where I thought, like, you know what, if maximum it's gonna go somewhere around these highs over here, somewhere around, probably around 13s, maybe not. It is what it is, but if it does have that momentum, then possibly could. Few things: it's a low flow stock, did a relatively super high volume of 90 times its average volume. So this stock was in play, right? Um, so the chat room that I'm running right now, along with a friend of mine, we alerted the fact that let the stock rip as high as it wants, let it go over 12. I was looking for consolidation for it to consolidate under 12 and wait for it to go 13. And but once it had this pullback, I indicated that, you know what, if this stock goes over $11, chances are it's gonna make a push through 12 and over. And if you look at the fills of mine, let me just show you exactly what happened. This is a sorry about this. Let me show you the EGLE. Okay, so here's the EGLE chart. So if you look at this EGLE chart, after it had the big move, it did a sideways consolidation, and just when it broke over this 11 level is when I actually got in. So I bought about 600 shares at 11.14, risking about give or take about $100, $120, $130, right? So that's what I was looking at. Now, I don't really trade off 1 minute chart, but this just makes it easier for you to look at where things are, to keep things in perspective. So I entered on this very candle at 1050-ish region, right? So around 1053 I entered. Just when I entered, it had one quick drop under 11. Now, when it drops under 11, one really important factor is to see the support that you're looking for. Once it drops, can it really come back quickly? And which has really happened. Once it came back over 11, I notified in the chat that, you know what, $11 is holding on, and chances are we'll be getting one more big push. And that's exactly what happened. So I took off 300 at 11.82, so about 70 cents. So if I was looking about, say, 20 cents, I made about 70 cents on the first one, so about 3-hour trade. And the last two pieces was super good. If you look at my exits, it was almost near the highs. I think the high of the day, let's see, the high on the day was about 12.45. I got my averages 12.37, 12.23. Last week was 12.36. So fairly easy trade. Once you can identify what stock you want to trade, where you want to get in, where you want to get out, and that was an easy 540, 550 bucks money in the bank on $10,000 trading account. If you have any questions about the trading room or anything, Feel free to hit me up on Twitter, StockTwits at WatchlistStock, or feel free to email me at swatchlist@gmail.com. Have a good night.